Okay, let us solve the question number 2. Right. So state the difference between average speed and the instantaneous speed. So this is for 5-mark question totally. So as a result of it, I have done it within 5 minutes. Okay, state the difference between average speed. What is average speed given by? Average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time. This is what you need to write. And what is instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed is nothing but speed at a given instant. Speed at a given instant is nothing regarding as a instantaneous speed. Okay, let us move on to the next one. So shown here is an acceleration versus time graph. Okay, acceleration versus time graph. Okay, at time t equal to 0, the instantaneous speed of the particle is 0. Instantaneous speed of the particle is 0. Okay, fine. Then calculate the instantaneous speed of the particle at t is equal to 7.5 seconds. So what should you do? So given a graph over here, if you want to find the speed, what you need to do is you need to find the area under the graph. Okay, simple. So therefore, at t equal to 7.5, where this is t equal to 7.5 should be somewhere over here. If I draw a vertical here, this will come and intersect at this point, right? See, at t equal to 7.5 is somewhere over here. It will intersect at this point. What is this value here? The acceleration at this point is a is equal to 3 here. Okay. Now find out the area of this. Find out the area of this. What is the area? The area here is half multiplied by altitude. What is altitude? 3 multiplied by this width 7.5. So which should now be, how much will this be? Use your calculator. So this should be right over here. So sorry, this is 3 star 7.5 divided by 2 will be 11.25. Okay, so answer that you should get is 11.25 unit meter per second. Okay, this should be your instantaneous speed. So I will write here as 11.25 meter per second. Right. Okay, so as you see in the graph, you should show the slope and you should also show the calculation. Don't just use your calculator to give the full answer. See, I am doing it according to your examination scheme. So see to it that you follow the similar scheme. Okay, don't just use your calculator and give the answer. So using the axis below, sketch a graph for the instantaneous speed v of the particle that varies with time t. So using a graph, show speed versus time t. So v versus t. Now what is the graph given here? This graph is AT graph. Okay, so therefore in the AT graph, what do we get? We get A proportional to t. But what is that you need? You need VT graph. VT graph. Now you see A is nothing but dV by dt is proportional to t, or dV is proportional to t dt, t dt, or if you integrate this, you get V is equal to kt square divided by 2. Right? We do not know what's the value of k by 2 and so on. But anyway, you can say like this over here. Okay, and as a result of it, you will get a graph which is a parabola like this, non-linear graph. This is what you need to show. So how much marks it is? This is for 1 mark. We are not asking you for any of these calculations. You just need to show a non-linear graph over here. Then next, let us look at the next one. Right, projectile motion. So let me stop here and continue with the next video, this particular problem. Thank you.